if the animal you fear the most is not actually the deadliest one on Earth? And what if one of the world's most dangerous killers is an animal that spends most of its day relaxing in muddy rivers under the hot African sun? When people think about terrifying animals, the great white shark is usually one of the first creatures that comes to mind. The image of a giant shark moving silently through dark water has scared people for decades. Movies, documentaries, and news stories have turned the great white into a symbol of fear. Many people believe that if you ever come face to face with one, your chances of survival are almost zero. But nature is full of surprises. There is another animal that kills far more people every year, and strangely enough, it is not a giant predator with razor-sharp teeth. It is the hippopotamus, an animal many people think looks calm, slow, or even funny. At first glance, hippos do not look like monsters. They spend most of their time sitting in water, opening their mouths and walking around peacefully. But behind that heavy body is one of the most aggressive and unpredictable animals in the world. The great white shark and the hippo are completely different creatures. One rules the oceans while the other dominates rivers and lakes. One hunts in deep water with stealth and speed, while the other attacks with raw strength and explosive aggression.